Recovery in Texas continues after Hurricane Harvey hit more than a week ago.
And as help on a large scale flows into Texas from the government and large organizations like the Red Cross, even the smallest among us are trying to help as well.
Really inspiring. That's right. Today, the help was coming from a 5-year-old girl who set up a lemonade stand at her favorite park in Loveland and is donating the money to Harvey relief.
You see all of it kind of playing out here behind us. 9 on your side's Butler and Warren County reporter Jay Warren met the little girl and joins us with her story. Jay?
Yes, well, the aid required, of course, to help these hundreds of thousands of people needs to be big, a la Matthew 25 Ministries. But little Indigo Huber shows us that even the small efforts can make a big difference. Today was a perfect day at home of the Brave Park in Loveland, as kids enjoyed the playground and the splash pad. But one little girl, Indigo Huber, took time out from playing to pour some lemonade for her thirsty friends.
Well, the clean cups are right here.
In return, she asked for a small donation to help those affected by Hurricane Harvey.
I saw this on the news, literally. Yeah. It was flooded. It was flooded everywhere. Water on the street.
Indigo recently read a book about a lemonade stand and wanted to run one herself. Her mother, Carrie, asked where the money should go, and they decided to help folks in Texas.
The Texas people had to move, and they were like so disappointed that their homes were destroyed.
And how did that make you feel?
So sad that I just wanted to help those people.
Her mother says she's trying to nurture an altruistic spirit in her daughter.
We regularly talk about how we can help others, or like donating things to charity, or just even making someone's day in a small way whenever we have an opportunity to. So this is just another instance where she went to a lemonade stand and decided to help out the people in Texas.
How do you think your mom feels about you wanting to do this?
Really surprised.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is she proud of you?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm really good at doing this.
And she is really good at it. She raised $80 out there this afternoon, and her mom says that that money is going to go to the Greater Houston Community Fund, and as she shows us, a little bit can go a long way. Jay Warren, 9 on your side, Blue Ash.